Okay, today, y'all, I got the shears washed. They're going to go up here. First, I got to dust all the cobwebs. Got 3 of them. Got to go around the room. There's 3 windows to do. Well, first we're going to dust. Okay, y'all. We got it up. Put a new vent in. Vent cover. And got this one up. I gotta get another vent cover because they're all rusty. But I replaced this one. This was a new one. And it looks pretty good. At least they're clean. Anyway, got a vacuum. House not really dirty. I don't wear shoes, but it's paper off this box. Paper off of this. That's all. Vacuum and picked up a little bit. That's all it needs today. And let's see, what else did I do over here today? Let's see. Oh yeah, I replaced this one. This one got replaced too. Little by little, I'm getting things changed out. And I had a big day anyway, y'all. If y'all watch my earlier videos, you'll see that we had a storm last night and I lost my greenhouse. This is the next project in this bedroom. Just getting these drapes down to wash. I did get the cobwebs down through the house. Okay, that's my job today. Here I am in my cleaning clothes, y'all. See? If you can see. I can't reach the light. Anyway, what I got on is a light sweatshirt. Live, love, forever. Whatever that says. And blue jeans. That's what I got on. It's my cleaning attire today. It's not too bad today. Okay, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.